A good product can still lose online. And it's not because product is bad, but because product listing did not make people believe in it. Online, buyers decide before they fully understand. They are looking for reason to trust or reason to leave. Think of the product listing like a shop window on a crowded street. If it is generic, unclear, cluttered, people are not going to stop by. They will keep walking. Hi, I'm Advait. I'm self-taught, and my learning came from paying attention to real products, real listing, and real moments of hesitation. So today we will be auditing one fictional product listing. It is indoor hydroponic garden built for small homes. This is a fictional case study and not real brand assessment. We used it to demonstrate our thinking behind an audit. We respect the privacy and commercial rights of real brands. So let's understand the product first. This product is meant for the people who like home gardening or urban agriculture. They may or may not have sufficient space, terrace, or time to look after the plants. So the product listing must make feel that person, yes, this is for me and I should buy it. These two important things must be communicated. A listing audit does not ask you to change everything as its default rule. It's going to assess what is working for you, what is not working for you, and what is entirely missing from the product listing. We are gonna run 7 checks: how the title looks, how the images are giving visual cues, then we have pricing factor, packs, delivery, proofs, and reviews. And this set of standards are not our personal opinion. From research, we also learned about 60 to 70% of the listings do the same basic mistakes. Poor images, unclear pricing, weak hierarchy, low trust indicators, absence of proofs, and generic AI copy. So this problem is not rare, it's a global problem. And that is the reason you need to perform this audit.
So let's begin with the audit. So the first thing that I'm gonna look for is the title. This is a product name. This is a technical name. And this is a humor line, or you can say hook point. If I'm not aware of this term, I'm not gonna see this product in my search results. If I'm not aware of this brand, same consequence. So this line is not gonna work. Solution is use some generic keyword that people are expected to type when they are looking for a product like this. Normally, when you see images on e-commerce, you see them on white background. Here I'm seeing dull background. The product angles are off. This is distorted image. Here I'm not seeing product at eye level. Here I can understand the photographer wants to show that he's looking for LED light, but I'm confused where I should look. Should I look at this empty space, or should I look at these plants, or should I look at this bar which is not giving me any visual idea? Then there is so much shadow. Here the focus is not clear. This is good image, but the background is dull. Okay, this works, but I'm not able to understand the thickness of the product. Moving on. Okay, so images also need fix. Now we're gonna focus on pricing. So this product has price of 8,000. I did search on leading platforms for exact same product category. The price was 5,000 to 6,000. So this product is expensive. Let's try to learn why. 8,000 product, first 500 units, then it goes to 10,000. Again, more expensive. It has started creating some unwanted questions in my mind. Okay, but we are gonna vouch on them little later. Showing dispatch details and delivery details works in the favor of the brand. Then return window and warranty claim also works in the favor of brand. Moving on. Look at this. This is a strong point for you. During our research, we came across with this similar analogy where price is not clear, and that gives misunderstanding to your prospect customers. My understanding was I'm paying 8,000 for one unit, but actually I'm paying for two. Here, brand should have mentioned they are selling 2 units. As an audience of this video, I want to ask you, do you see any explanation, any reason, any desirable factor that you should buy 2 instead of 1, or you should buy 3 instead of 2? In my unbiased opinion, I don't see any reason. It's clear, company says you purchase more. But I don't see any visual explanation, text explanation, except if I'm a newbie, I should purchase 1. If I should have kitchen and balcony, I should purchase 2. Or if I want to give someone, I should buy 3. It's vague explanation. We will actually apply the fixes. You're gonna know how our solution addresses problems at multiple layers. They have shown a video saying how to install the product. Yeah, it totally works in their favor. Feature wise, this is good, this is good, this is good, this is good. Okay, now this is a gap. They have not shown any information on the top or in the images that it supports app. This is a gap. Then there is a brand's story. Brand is trying to connect you emotionally with their story. I started liking this design, but the way they have presented it is working against their choice. Okay, moving on. I can see more information such as specifics. That's nice. Also, the materials that they have used, it's a ceramic instead of plastic. This is a strong point. They should highlight more on this so that their positioning becomes stronger here. Then the product setup has 5 stages, I get that, but fill the reservoir. That is the first step. I don't know what's inside the reservoir. The images didn't address this. This is also a gap. Moving on. This is generic information, accepted. Now the most sensitive part. They are saying their product is famous. Okay, possible. Now I need to believe this. Okay. You're saying 312 people have actually wrote the review or gave ratings. Out of which, if I make this total of 5-star and 4-star and 3-star as well, becomes 97%. For a product that is sold online, if you come across the 97% positive reviews, something is fishy. Either the product is so popular, like a Lifebuoy soap or something, and it is supported by celebrity endorsement. If that is not the case, then this reviews could be misleading. And I'm seeing only 5-star, 5-star and 1 4-star review. And where are the other reviews? Only 3 people have reported a review and not 309. They are happy with giving ratings. That's the line of questioning as an unbiased buyer will have when they see a similar scenario. Okay, you have added FAQs, accepted. This is also a gap. Look at this. You want me to purchase add-ons, but you are listed down at the bottom of the page. Studies shows about 35 people out of 100 actually scroll to the bottom of the page. So that means 65% people are not gonna reach this section of the page. So this is a gap.
The commercial impact is not always a complaint. The buyer who is looking at your listing either postpones their decision, compare, or leave. And that is what our audit is designed to reveal.
The report begins with snapshot of the main listing performance. It shows whether the imagery is strong, developing, or significantly weak. Then it maps the trust, content, storefront, and other decision areas. The point is not a decorative score, it's a clear direction. If some things are not applicable to you, they are mentioned accordingly. Each relevant element is marked as on track, or it needs some work, or it's entirely missing. We identify what is good and what exists and what is not working, what is entirely absent. Then we explain the business impact in the plain language. And finally, we prioritize actions by urgency, cost, and likely effect. You do not have to fix everything at once. You decide what deserves actions now, what can wait, and what matters most. Okay? So I'm at the new listing page. the first thing that I have solved here is I have added these words. Now, if anyone with a generic understanding or who is a layman is going to see my product, is going to become aware of my product, this name will be familiar to him, and he will also get along with the hook point. He will also be aware of this technical word. See the imagery. It's a pure white. This photo is captured at eye level. I'm getting clear understanding. Whoa! This image tells me this product has multi-purpose. If I'm passionate about home gardening, it's giving me a good reason to have it. Secondly, if I'm having luxurious house, I can keep it anywhere as a showpiece item. And this image that you're seeing, it's making this product likable. Like, I already like the shape. It's just shown at proper setting and I'm gonna have it. That's the kind of messaging that is perceived through this image. Look, earlier photo, look at the angle and look at the angle. So this is what happens when you make use of proper images and you get the clarity. Here, I just want to highlight this. We have solved this problem, so people are gonna know what's the inside of this container and people are gonna be aware of app support. Also, there is one more extra feature, airflow ventilation on the back of the product. Moving on. And I'm also becoming aware of the thickness, so I know exactly how much space is gonna take. Moving on. Okay, so look at the price. It's clear, it's a set of 2. We're gonna know how much is the price of the purchase. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna tell you how the image choice is gonna grab different types of people as your audience. First one is an independent woman. She lives alone by herself and she needs some hobby. So in second example, let's look at this. I'm gonna zoom in. This guy is working from home. He wants his space or the vibe cool for his requirement. In third example, I'm seeing a woman who is independent. She has her own space. You can see the color choices of furniture and other items in the room. And she is happy having 3 products together. Now, I will tell you the psychology behind each photo's choice. In first, I'm addressing those people who live on their own. Second, who may be living with the family and they should have more than one item. And third, who can afford this product easily if there is one person from each category who uses my product and they are happy with my product. They are going to talk to more people. So these 3 people are from 3 different categories. Let's say I came with this thought that I wanted to purchase one, but because I'm seeing these other 2 images, I'm more inclined to make 2 purchases. Here, you are giving your customers a reason to engage, reason to reconsider their requirement. Moving on. So if I see this quickly, I'm going to quickly add anything extra that I need. So this placement is actually working in the favor. Moving on. Look at this. Earlier image, it's unclear. It was vague. This is specific. I'm looking at one independent woman interacting with the product in the video. She's talking about her experience. The space is working in favor. She's sharing her real experience and people are relating to the product, connecting them, and they are seeing an actual user sharing their thoughts on the product. And sometimes an emotional story could actually work in your favor. Earlier, there were 5 items, but to balance out the web page design, I added 6. Look at this. Brand story has weird image. Now we replace this with a proper image. Here earlier we had 5 steps, now I reduced it to 4. So I want the Gen Z audience to actually relate to this product more. So I added an image where artist is in his room. You can see the paintbrush and all, he's working, and you are seeing 3 products kept together. This is gonna give people reason to have more ideas how they can decorate house with this brand's product as a prop. So I told you about the reviews. I have increased the reviews, and you can also see there is option to load more reviews. And then your FAQs.
Well, we are not done yet. We need to understand that these days about 80 to 90% people prefers mobile as a shopping experience. So the page that we have designed is perfect for a desktop view, but we must ensure that the mobile friendly view is equally addressed. So let's have a look.
So I'm going to quickly show you the mobile view side by side. So this was our old listing and this is our new listing. Okay. So as you can see, the image actually makes the difference, even if it is the first white one or this one, right? So images makes difference. Look at this section. This is all text on the left side. On the right side, look at this. Boom. This is an entire card that contains text as well as image. Look at the second image. Look at the third image. Tell me, which one is giving you more engagement? Which is giving you reasons to scroll down for more? Now moving on. Look at this. The real person actually interacting with the product and telling her experience vis-a-vis standard protocol how to use the product. Moving on. So earlier you were seeing 5 points. Now I have added 6 to balance this out. See, I told you this is a bad image. Now look at this. This is a nicest image. And people are gonna actually read the story. Here they will just scroll. Moving on. Then you can see reviews. Okay, so yes, you can see more reviews. Actually, you can reduce this from 12 to 6 and you can add this button directly. So this is gonna, reduce the scroll point. But that's not a negative point, I would say. If you have more space to showcase, you can make a subjective decision. And then your page ends. Look at this. How does it actually look? Here, look at this. So this is how the presentation actually makes the difference.
At the end, it is same listing, right? We just change those specific parameters or elements where we feel that it is costing you your buyer. We change the title, we change the images, we made the entire scroll flow, engaging and inviting so that your client, your customer remembers your product visually. Our mind understands in colors, shapes, visual ideas more than the text itself. What does client get at the end of an audit? A clear report, specific finding, business impact, and a practical route forward. It does not force you to change everything. It helps you decide what to improve, when to improve, and why it matters. If you work on it, implement it properly, what you're gonna get is your listing will be cleaner, warmer, and inviting so that people actually engage and find it trustworthy. It's not just a page where your product is hosted, rather a page which helps people to understand, trust, and choose it. This is what a single product listing is designed to reveal. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you still have any questions, feel free to book a 15 minutes meeting with our team and we'll happy to address all those. Also, if you have got any offer from us, you can apply the discount code at checkout page. Looking forward to meet you. Thank you.